Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. This is the upgraded version. I got one a couple of years ago for my toddler and I've used it for so long I needed a new one, so I have this upgraded version. So I just kind of wanted to show you. Inside they've included a little recipe book, a manual. There's even a citrate sort of pouch. I think you use this to like descale it whenever it's necessary. I have distilled water, so I'm not introducing hard water here, so I don't have any deposits, but they've sent a replacement seal too in case you need it. The blade here, let me show you how, but you twist the bottom and it's clockwise and you can actually remove the blade for cleaning, so it's easy cleaning. I've already rinsed off the stuff, so like I'm ready to use it. It's pretty easy. There is a steam basket in here, so just make sure you lock it in place properly. So the steam basket goes in with this notch right here, so you can actually steam things without having it all get soggy. So the water goes on the bottom, their steamed objects stay on the top. There's a little cap for it, so once you take the steam basket out, if you leave it there with the cap, you can leave it there, or if you want to just steam it and then blend it all, you can just throw it all in here. The cap is going to go like this, and then you are going to twist it in counterclockwise, close and open marking on here so you can close. This is going to go in like this and then twist in to close. We're going to fill it in with distilled water to the max line. Depending on what you're cooking, you might have extra water left over, which you can use for the next time, or you can just refill it every time depending on how much or what you're cooking. Today we're going to cut some sweet potatoes and try to cook those. Make sure to close your steam chamber right there. The steam is going to go through on the cap into your cooking chamber here. All right, so I have these sweet potatoes cubed. This is a one whole of a sweet potato, like a smaller size sweet potato. Throw that in there. Lock it in. All right, so it's on for the first time. It's gonna hit that power button. We're gonna click on, that's auto blend. Sorry, I hit the wrong one. If you wanna, okay, so let's go through the settings. You have the steam setting. You have the sterilize setting. If you want to sterilize the machine to clean it, you can use the sterilize function. The steam function, of course, to steam the food. Manual is the manual blend, and then auto is the auto blend. So let's go ahead and start the steam process. It's going to take 15 minutes. So we're going to let that do its thing, come back, and then blend and go from there. You can actually click the steam button multiple times to change the time. So for sweet potato, it said 15 minutes. So we're going to do 15 minutes and then leave it on, and that will do its thing. All right, so it just beeped that it's done. So let's go ahead and open it up. You got to be careful. It's steaming hot. Okay, it is definitely done. This is all cooked. I did add some time to make sure it was all cooked. Okay, so I'm happy with how well it's cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and close it up again. Okay, and what we're gonna do is blend. Okay, it's beeping that it's done, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like inside. All right, so it seems like every time you open it does say error even when it's done, essentially notifying that it's not going to be able to use any of this function. So I think you just hit the power button before you open it and it shouldn't do that. So here's the included spatula, so you can use that to kind of stir and see if there's any pieces, but you can see this is nice and pasty, perfect consistency for your 6 months old and older to try. I'm trying it out and it tastes pretty good. Tastes just like a sweet potato puree. It's all organic because you did it yourself, no chemicals introduced, and super easy to do. So yeah, definitely recommend this GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. Makes things super simple, super easy to clean. You're just going to twist it off here and take it off, and I should be able to pour it out into a container and take the blade off and rinse it off and run the sterilizer on here and get it cleaned. Super simple. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.